Iingdorbar Mang Tyngka jong Iingdorbar tauan ke jela Meghalaya kalau poinok sekabokot ke sengi palai jong katayo bad kalai jeng Mynjur ke Mang Tyngka Duna syahajar praspak sop kundai Klur Tyngka jong ke jela na gebenta ke samoy terikam ke Thnem arhajar arpulai. Ha kini kisau sengi jong katayo ki dekot ke Iingdorbar kelia tairu ya bon teli kimat jong ke jela bakentop naduk kakam ya penbet yo put usam kakam kinong hikai kakam sam boarding bad kiwai. Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakesengi baar jong katayo ulepen kesan ya kesos kular Memorandum of Understanding ke Belayasoi ha pedang ke Sorkar Meghalaya bat ke Asam menepen bet ikin riu teli Jaka baya ka Japut na pedang ki khat ar teli Jaka ya ki balasyem ha ke benta bedengkong jong ke jeng keren penbet put Menteri Rang Ba ulepen kesan ya kene kesos kular ha berjubab ke motion bekerpang balawan ra du Chief Whip kaliang persya uba George Bilingdo haba pentip ru bamau lembat Menteri Rang Ba ke Asam kenselet bene kendo yo Menteri Korbari ke Sorkar pedeng u Amit Shah ha ke arpunyau terik benai leber banrai khatdo ke sos kular penbet put ulong ba kene ke sos kular kandai kenong rim ha ke ban peniat pat ke jeng keren penbet put na ke benta ki hendreu teli ki wai pat ke Jaka ke bala boteng ke bedai ke Jaka ba khamjor ka jeng ya ka Japut.
Assam had a logic on the basis of which they said that 0.08 should go to them fully. We stuck to our point saying that there should be a natural boundary, and these are areas where Meghalaya has been also active and the people have been active. So all these concerns were raised out there, and in spite of Assam demanding and sticking to the fact that this 0.08 square kilometers must be in Assam. So finally, after discussing and negotiating with Assam, we were able to come to a conclusion where majority of that plot of 0.05 square kilometers would come to Meghalaya and 0.03 square kilometers would go to Assam, which included the ASTC. And therefore, in this entire discussion, when, as I said, we're doing a large-scale discussion negotiation of such complicated measures, sir, I've always maintained in even my opening remarks that we will not find a perfect solution. And yes, the honorable members can keep mentioning about this issue and raising this issue, but we have tried to take it to the best logical conclusion. And if you see the overall discussion that's taken place in this entire negotiation and discussion and this resolution that we have done with Assam, we feel very strongly as a government that we have been able to keep the interest of the people living in those areas in mind. We have been able to keep the interest of the government of Meghalaya, and we have been able to keep the interest of government of Assam and find a solution where it's a win-win solution for all.
Ka All India Trinamool Congress kebetulan kaliang persya keladawa ke Sorkar jela bahkan thungno ya ka kenhun toket bekerpang halor kejeng pentrikam ya ke Smart Metering Project kebala Tyngka dek Asian Development Bank ha ke jela. Kani kejeng dawa kelami nunong ilam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma lengba ka jengkeli ke belawan ra ha po Iingdorbar Mang Tyngka. Haba kedau bagi kendon jangka Commission of Inquiry belatung dak Sorkar jela kamlong setia ke bakrenti kenai kene kakam. Bad kamlong ru ke basai kejeng toket ke bakumno la pentrekam ya kene ke projek ha ke jela. Haba kentat ikan ni sembut Menteri Rang Ba ke jela ba Preston Tensong uloong ba ka kendon balabo ha kejeng toket kalong ke balasai kedar. Halor kejeng tiet kejeng don kambaro la kadai na ke projek jangka Asian Development Bank neka Sobhagya Scheme. Ula pentip bak Inquiry Commission kelapen krek mentai ke kaipot ke badai ban IT haswa ban kod kejeng aipor kata ha ka laipui terik ubenai leber.
Once again, let me again read out the context of the terms of reference. 1. A. Inquiry into all major procurements covering both the need as well as the process, including fairness in the framing of tender clauses and the tender terms and conditions. The inquiry should cover the corporation's own procurement as well as major procurement made under central government-sponsored schemes, state-funded schemes, and externally aided projects. This is a very, very clear terms of reference. So I would request the Honorable LO to kindly be patient. So let the report comes and then we will see what is to be done next.
Namar kejeng kerdo ki officer IAS ha kejela Menteri Rang Ba ula pentip bag Sorkar jela kelekran bat ke Sorkar pedeng bahkan ainok la kejong ke IAS kader ya kejela Meghalaya dan kebapia nak Assam. Menteri Rangba ulah pentip ikani berjubah jingkeli belawan rak dak MLA keseng Kongres Dr. Amprin Lingdo bari thu bana kaliang jung ulah dep thok siti sya Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi ha ke 6,000 kat kendai bapan la kejong ka IAS kader. Ha kasngi balang kata ha kakat nru terik uleber arhajar arpuar. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ule pentip ke Iingdorbar tawan kejela bagi dan kat nyongot bala apply bat ke balayo gejing menjur banti doyong kat kum Khappud start science bat ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong baya ke scientific mining on sesedang no hapo jongan ke Thnem. Bala kami lenti bakin dan kat to kat ne ki bandio ekne mining lease na ke benta banti yu doyong. Kani kejing pensyayu Menteri Rangba kadai Halor kejing keli ke belawan rak do MLA kenong po uba Mineral Bonds iem haka kenta keli jingkeli. Menteri Rangba ulong bala penlong bon kejing elang ban pensngotho iki traipar haka lengki distrik jong kejela. Halor kejing keli uba Mineral Bonds iem katno ke Sorkar jela kan yolum ke khajna na kejing ti doyong kat kum Khappud start science. Na kaliang Menteri Rangba ulong bakalong ke bae ban ajing ken namarkan syong ha kejing yo license bat hadu katno onla ban sayu doyong Henry ha kabedai bat ke jingi olum khajna kidon ha kisau benta kata ke royalty ke bahan rus pa nyupsan tengka na ke metrik ton udoyong bat ke ses ke balai spa tengka na metrik ton udoyong ka district mineral fund ke badai shipo nak shispa na ke royalty bat ke national mineral exploration trust ke badai ar na ke shispa na ke royalty
and already we have prospecting going on as we speak. It is not possible to give a definite timeline. But the process is moving very fast. We are getting a lot of support from Government of India, Ministry of Coal. And I will not be able to give exact time, sir, and I cannot give an assurance in the House because, as I said, whatever I say in the House is something, it has to be with facts and figures. But we do expect, in a best case scenario, we do expect that within this year itself, within this year, anything between 6 months to maybe 8 months' time, we do expect that few of them will start getting approval for the mining plan also, and they should be able to start the mining activity very soon, sir. But again, as I said, it's all paperwork process. There are multiple agencies involved. It would be incorrect for me to say that definitely it will happen. But the way the speed is going, we do expect that we will see some results. And I just wanted to also share with the Honourable Member that it will be a process which may start off slow because it's happening for the first time. So therefore, it will be a learning process for everyone, not just for the miners, for the landowners, but also for the government agencies. So while we do that, we may face a bit of delay in the first few cases, but as we move forward and we're able to streamline the process, people start getting used to it. I hope that we will see more applications coming in, more scientific mining happening, and that's when we will see that the growth of the revenue also may grow up exponentially, and we may reach the level of royalty and the non-tax revenue of the government at the same level that it used to be before we had the ban on coal mining in the state, sir. So to answer in short, sir, we expect that we will see some activity within this calendar year.